Welcome back to Sunshine Carnivores, everyone. I'm going to be discussing with you today the second largest genus of carnivorous plants in the world, the Drosera. I have here the Drosera capensis. Over here I have Drosera binata, and over here I happen to have Drosera capillaris. And also, you'll find the Drosera growing on every continent in the world except Antarctica, and they grow in a wide variety of conditions. Most Drosera happen to like wet, moist environments, like most other carnivorous plants, but a few others happen to like it. Happen to like it nice and dry. For example, the Drosera regii, commonly known as the king sundew, throws the traditional carnivorous plant rule book out the window because it likes it very dry. Now then, the Cape sundew or Drosera capensis here can be grown in the house, and a matter of fact, many people who happen to grow orchids happen to have this plant growing alongside their orchids and maybe even other plants because these plants here happen to take care of pest insects like fruit flies, midges, and of other small insects. And their leaves will become blackened with the carcasses of their victims, and forgive the white fluff that you see on the leaves here. Those are dandelion seeds, and I can't pull them all off. And these guys here, and the Cape sundew is from the Cape of South Africa, and the Drosera binata here, it is one of the species from Australia, and Australia has a bunch of awesome looking sundews. From some of them being the pygmy sundews, which are no bigger than an American quarter, and to others growing like a small bush. And Drosera binata here is very easy to grow, and of many, and they're subtropical plants, and of the Cape sundew here, it can be, and it can survive much lower temperatures than of other subtropical sundews. And of over here, is the Drosera capillaris, which is a native to North America, happen to grow in a native to of Florida. And so if, I happen to have these plants growing here in long fibered sphagnum moss. The sundews I have are very easy plants to grow. They happen to grow most of them happen to growing in long fibered sphagnum moss. In the Cape sundew here, I happen to have it growing in a mixture of 1-to-1 ratio of peat moss and perlite. Which and if you happen to want a sundew as your very first carnivore, if you want to get into the hobby, I would recommend the Cape sundew. It's because that they are very hardy. They can survive. They can survive brief freezes if you grow them outside. They can grow on your windowsill, and they can catch small insects in your house for you. Like most other carnivorous plants, these sundews here, the ones that which I have, like it moist, not soggy, but moist. The same thing goes with Drosera capillaris, which I would recommend growing outside, and the Drosera binata. I think you can grow it inside, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. And it has been flowering, as you can see here, and I hope I do get some seeds here. And here in the pumpkin mug here, which I got from Walgreens because I wanted something in a Halloween themed back in October. I have some cuttings here from the capillaris and the capensis. I don't know if you can see it all too well, but right there happens to be a new plantlet growing atop of a 1-to-1 ratio of peat moss and a perlite is a little baby plantlet right there. I think there might be one growing down below there as well, and maybe, and I think forgive me, I'm just trying to angle the camera on my phone. And there's another little baby plant right there. Hope you can see it, but still,